Welcome back to N-Scale Friday. I have a box in my hands here, and we're going to go to the workbench and see what's in it. Okay, so here's what we're looking at today. This is a bay window caboose. It happens to be decorated for the Rock Island, and the retail on these is $34.95. One of the cool things I've noticed on the website, they talk about how they have 3 different bay window styles per prototype, and we'll take a closer look at this one now. Okay, so looking at the model from the side here, I scrutinized the paint and markings and found them to be really good. The separation lines between the yellow and the red are very crisp, and the printing on the model is also very crisp. One thing that you'll notice while looking at it from this angle is that these little curved grabs on the ends are white. They're not separately applied, but the fact that they took the time to paint those white makes them look like they're separately applied. It's a very good effect. Now we're looking at one of the ends here. You can see, well, it's kind of hard to tell from this particular angle, but the brake wheel, which is tucked in behind here, and it has one on each end like this, but those brake wheels are separately applied parts. You can also see from this angle that the model comes with Accumate knuckle couplers. I just wanted to show you this angle to demonstrate how the windows actually do stick out on the sides. It's a real bay window. It's a pretty cool design. And I figured since we're looking at this, I might as well show you the other side. Something else I'm really liking are these little red stripes down in here. It's kind of like mini barricade striping, and it's like that on both sides. It's pretty cool. And then looking at the bottom, you can see some of the brake components are molded into the bottom, as well as this box here. I would assume that would be for tools, that kind of thing. And something else that's really cool about this model is that the couplers are body mounted. And that's always a big plus. So as you can see, Atlas has done a pretty good job with this caboose. I have to say that I'm a big fan of the body mounted knuckle couplers. That's a big bonus for me. Also, I really like the paint on this model. The fact that they were able to make those curved grabs at the ends of the caboose stand out with the white paint and look almost like separately applied parts, I think is a huge bonus, and I like it a lot. Something else I didn't harp on is that they come in 3 different styles of bay windows. The one we looked at was the full bay window with 2 panes, and if you go to their website you can check out the other 2 that they have available. So anyway, good job, Atlas. I'll see you next time.